Welcome to Geo Secure Factory Dashboard, a comprehensive solution designed to enhance safety, monitoring, and efficiency in the railway industry. Let's explore how our software addresses key challenges and improves railway operations. Monitoring track defects is crucial for railway safety and maintenance. Geo Secure Factory Dashboard provides detailed insights into track defects, focusing on criticality, repeated defects, and their precise locations. Our software visualizes defect criticality over time, helping prioritize maintenance tasks. Our railway track defect entry forms allow users to log essential details such as length, width, latitude, longitude, and defect criticality. The uploader form enables seamless integration of track data, including geographic coordinates and visual snapshots, securely stored in our database. Detecting cracks early can prevent accidents. Our software includes crack defect entry forms with parameters like length, width, latitude, longitude, elevation, and criticality. Automated defect detection through integrated video surveillance enhances security and monitoring. Geo Secure Factory Dashboard takes input from various sensors for comprehensive monitoring. Software supports video surveillance, access control with RFID readers and biometric scanners, and environmental monitoring with temperature, humidity, and gas sensors. Sensors for proximity and distance, such as ultrasonic or laser sensors, further enhance railway safety. Additional sensors, including vibration, sound, light, GPS trackers, and more, provide detailed monitoring capabilities. Beyond railways, Geo Secure Factory Dashboard offers valuable applications in manufacturing, energy, telecommunications, and oil and gas. From real-time machinery monitoring to infrastructure safety, our software provides comprehensive solutions for various industries. Geo Secure Factory Dashboard is your all-in-one solution for industrial safety and monitoring. Transform your railway operations today.